Check out this cool little garden buddy my client gave me. It's got a 360 little seat here. Store your little tools here. You know, hook it up to something here and pull it. Take it wherever you need to. But you can just sit on it, you know, and your back straight. You can pick weeds, and then you can grab your little tools. You know, it runs off of 4 little tires and a couple bolts. Not too complicated, but works really well. I usually store like little plantings and stuff right there. But it's been working on my farm and on my garden here in Altadena. I'm just wondering if anyone else has used one of these or seen one of them, because until my client was moving away and giving me it, I had never seen one. I call it a little garden buddy cart, but I'm sure it has a real name.